What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Max from Max Build. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my wife's 2016 Acura TLX. I'm going to show you how I do it so you can do it if you want to do it yourself. So without much more talking, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to accomplish this if you're trying to do it by yourself. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so today to do this oil change, these are the things we're going to be working with. You need a set of ramps. If you do not have ramps, you can use jack stands or a jack just to have some clearance for the vehicle so you can get under there and remove that drain bolt and drain the oil and replace the filter. We have a ratchet with a socket. We have the oil filter wrenches, two different types. We have the oil filter. I always use Wix oil filter, it's just preference. Today I'm using this Mobil. I usually use Pennzoil, but it's 0W20 as per Acura's manufacturer's recommendation. We also have a creeper. If you don't have this, you can use cardboard, whatever. If you don't mind getting dirty, go for it. And most importantly, we have a drain pan. You want to drain this so you can collect it and put it back in here and dispose of it properly. So without much more talking, we're gonna get on this vehicle and work on it. Also, a quick tip, before you begin the oil change, make sure the vehicle's ran for a little bit so you can get that oil nice and warm so it can flow out much quicker and you're going to spend less time draining the oil. So, I'm going to remove the drain cap or the fill cap, set it over here, and then the dipstick. Set it down and we're going to go underneath and remove the drain bolt and drain the oil out from the vehicle. Okay guys, now we're going underneath the vehicle. And over here you can see that's the drain bolt just right next to the exhaust. This is the drain bolt over here, and in here that's the oil filter that needs to be removed. Okay guys, so the drain bolt is located over here as pointed out before, and to remove the drain bolt you need a 17mm socket. Put the oil pan in place and let it rain. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I make a new upload. And now the oil filter is out, ready to be disposed. Just so you have an idea of where it is, that's where the oil filter goes. Before we install the new one, we're going to hit it with some brake clean again to get it nice and clean. And now as you can see, it's all cleaned, we're ready to install the new oil filter. Alright guys, with the old oil filter out, we're going to remove the new one. And before installing the new oil filter, it's very important for you to lube the gasket before you put it in. Sometimes some people like to fill it with oil, but with the position on the TLX, you're probably going to spill some of it, so there's no point to do that. But always lube the gasket before you install it so it doesn't seize in place and you have a difficult time replacing it the next time you go to do this. So I'm going to lube this, install it in there, and then we're going to put in the new oil. So I'm going to remove the drain cap or the fill cap, set it over here, and then the dipstick. Alright guys, after taking care of business down below, well up top, we're going to put in some new oil and get this baby running. So, in order to check the oil level, we need to make sure the vehicle is on a flat surface. Okay, so we're going to pull out the dipstick, wipe it, insert it, and we can get an accurate reading, and that is perfect. That's exactly where you want to be. Alright guys, back side of the vehicle, you can see the maintenance light is on. That is for the oil change. So the easiest way to fix that up is quickly on this screen. You're gonna click settings, it changes. You're gonna go to vehicle settings with this roll down, vehicle settings, you click enter, and then we need to get all the way down to bottom. So keep rolling it. Oh my bad. Gonna get all the way down to the bottom, maintenance reset. You click enter, and you see it says engine oil over there, and we click OK to reset. Would you like to reset all life A3? That is correct, and there we go. The oil life is back to 100%. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. It is very easy to get the oil change done on these vehicles. If you did find it helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.